Running, running, moving, moving, running, moving, running, moving, running, moving. Running, moving, running away, far away, running, moving, running, moving. Running, moving, running, moving, running away, running so fast, running, moving, running, moving, running away, running so fast. All right, everybody. I think this is going to be like an 80 pop. So this is the intro, beginning of the song, running, moving. So working on it. So tune back in today. Thank you so much for tuning in to BC Rehearsal, original rehearsal here from Brooklyn, New York. Crown Heights, and it's just a really fantastic day. The weather's beautiful. So rehearsing my lyrics, and so much to talk about. So tune back in. BC Original Rehearsal, Barbara Campbell Television, Hello Middlebury Records, and so I'm warming up and gonna do some music and create some beautiful songs that you can hear and listen to via the holiday season. It's a perfect time to be uplifted. Check out Barbara Campbell music. And if you've been procrastinating, I got a song for you. All right, everybody, till then, come back. I'm taking 5, so water, rehydrate, and refocus so I can come back and do this song. All right, till then, I'll see you in the next minute. Stay in Brooklyn. You count, you matter. Bye bye. Thank you, my fans and music supporters around the world. Thank you.